Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the typewriter. And this machine is very classical. And I like the color and the shape with some flower around this machine. So first, I hope you have art material and like a watercolor pigment, palette, paper and brushes. And in the video, the left side, you can see the reference photo. That's it, the blue typewriter. And first, I'm drawing some daisy. And because this daisy is on the top of the machine, so I use my Chinese brush to draw in the petal first. With a few colors, you can see that is about the 3 color, yellow, orange, brown, and maybe one more pink color. And also in the central area, they have some other color flowers. So I also do the flower first. And if you're familiar with my channel, you can see most of painting I like to drawing by my brush instead of pencil because I'm a lazy person. So I prefer to do the loose style. But if you a bit prefer to do the and you want really good the shape control with the shape size and perspective, so I recommend you can use the pencil to drawing first, so that will be easy to recognize where you want to put color in. And when I finish my flower shape and the basic color with the machine, so I started use my number 6 brush to painting the background. And in this background, you can see this is the fabric with the pattern, like a bit rose on the fabric. And also this fabric is not flat, so a bit fold. So that's I drawing some pattern and shadow. You can see I started to use my waterproof pen to emphasize some edge of the machine. This typewriter, so they have a lot of gap. So that's why I needed to a bit emphasize my edges and also separate the fabric and with the table's color. This table is like a wood, so I just try to simplify just with a single color for my background. And today not too much different the brush, so it's just the Chinese brush and the number 6 round brush, and with the waterproof pen. Okay, hope you enjoy today's video, and if you have another recommend, please leave the message. Thank you for your watching and see you next time.